Hello friends! Welcome to Global English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thank you so much for listening today.
We are very happy you are here. Today's topic is very important.
Yes, today we talk about feelings.
Feelings are how we feel inside.
Happy, sad, tired, excited,
Don't worry, this lesson is easy and friendly.
and great for beginners.
Tom, how do you feel today?
I feel happy. I had a good coffee this morning.
Coffee makes many people happy.
Yes, so let's start with a simple sentence. I feel happy.
Good. Let's say it slowly.
I feel happy.
Another feeling is sad.
Sad means not happy.
For example, I feel sad.
Maybe your favorite show ends.
Yes, that makes me sad. Let's learn more feeling words.
Listen and repeat. Happy, you feel good. Sad, you feel bad. Tired, you need rest. Angry, you feel mad. Excited, very happy and full of energy.
Great job.
Now, let's practice together.
Please repeat after us.
I feel
happy.
I
feel
feel
sad.
I
feel
feel
tired.
tired.
I
I
feel
feel angry. I feel excited. Nice. Your English is getting better.
Now, let's hear a short story.
This is about our friend Anna.
Anna has a busy day.
In the morning, she feels tired.
She says, I feel tired. I need coffee.
After work, she meets her friends.
Then she feels happy.
At night, she watches a funny movie.
She feels excited and laughs a lot.
But tomorrow is Monday.
Oh no, she feels a little sad.
Now, let's practice a real conversation.
Tom, how do you feel today?
I feel tired. How about you?
I feel happy.
That's great.
Friends, you can try too. How do you feel today? I feel.
Let's review today's lesson.
Today we learned how to talk about feelings.
Important words. Happy. Sad. Tired. Angry. Excited.
Important sentence. I feel plus feeling.
For example, I feel happy.
Thank you so much for listening to Global English Talk.
We are very happy to learn English with you.
If you like this podcast, please,
Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
and don't forget to comment.
Now, our question of the day.
How do you feel today? Happy? Tired? Excited?
Write your answer in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.